Salesforce editions and pricing. There are multiple Salesforce editions based on the business requirements. So we have Essential, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited. The screen here shows you different variations of these. So Essential is a basic one where you can't do a lot of modifications. It's just straight out of the box functionality. Professional does allow you to do some automations, but not a lot of customizations. Enterprise is the most viable product where you can do almost all of the customizations. You can write code, you can do all the customizations there. That is what Enterprise is. Unlimited is an extension of Enterprise. You can write code and everything that you could do in Enterprise, but with enhanced governor limits, so enhance excess levels. So that's what an unlimited is. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.